Installation Guide for Toyota Land Cruiser J250 running boards. This package includes left and right running boards, 6 mounting brackets, all mounting hardware, and the installation manual. Step 1. Locate the mounting holes on the vehicle chassis, marked in red in the video. These are the designated points where the running board brackets will be attached. Step 2. Align the running board brackets with the chassis mounting holes, and loosely position them. Do not fully tighten the bolts at this stage. Step 3. Place the running board panel onto the brackets, aligning the holes. Secure the panel to the brackets using the provided bolts, but do not fully tighten them yet. Step 4. Fully tighten all bolts and screws to secure the running board. The left and right running boards are installed in the same way.